Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Hugo Spritz. The Hugo Spritz was invented in 2005 by Italian bartender Roland Gruber. Recently it got even more popular when St Germain teamed up with Game of Thrones star Sophie Turner. The drink is low in alcohol, simple to make, and refreshing. Perfect for either a hot day or you're trying to roll back into it after a hangover. For the first time on this channel, we're going to be using St Germain. It's a low ABV spirit made in France from fresh elderflowers. The drink is sweet and has notes of pear and citrus. It can be drank by itself, but it goes best with vodka, gin, or tequila. To make this drink, it's super easy. We have a wine glass already filled with ice, in this case, a very large wine glass. We're going to take about 8 to 10 pieces of fresh mint. Picked this earlier from my garden. Here's a little behind the scenes blind pig tip for you. If you're using fresh mint in one of your cocktails at home, go ahead and put it in an ice bath first. We'll make the mint pep up, look nice and fresh, and smell fantastic. We'll be using this in a minute. Go ahead and give it a slap. Now I'll tell you first, before I slap it, why I'm slapping it. The idea is to release some of the oils that are in the mint, get the flavors out. That's all it takes. Sometimes you gotta hit your mint. Go ahead and toss those in. Then we're gonna use an ounce and a half of our St Germain. Smells delicious. Very sweet, as I mentioned earlier, but definitely has a great smell to it. I'm gonna use an ounce and a half of that. And then we're gonna top with both club soda, and it calls for Prosecco. It is an Italian drink after all. We're not that fancy. We actually love the cheap champagne here at house. That's what we buy normally. We're gonna go ahead and use that. We're gonna top with both the champagne, or sparkling wine, I guess, and also club soda. This is our spritz angle. Let's go ahead and see if we can do this. This might not work. Yeah, whatever, we'll go for it. We like it. For a garnish, we're gonna use a slice of lime and a fresh sprig of mint. Sprig's not a word used very often. I like it though. There we go. There's our Hugo Spritz. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Absolutely delicious. Super refreshing. Very light. Very easy to drink. I could have like 10 of these sitting by the pool. I might have 10 of these tonight after we stop filming here. Great drink. If you've tried those spritzes, if you're looking for something a little lighter, maybe a hot weather drink again, or something, you know you got to get back at it. You're on vacation maybe, but not quite ready for a beer or a heavier cocktail. Go ahead, guys. Try the Hugo Spritz. I think you're gonna like it. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Hugo Spritz. For the first time on the channel, we're going to use St Germain. It's a low alcohol spirit made in France